All right, guys. So this is the video directions for the Monday 2-8 assignment. Okay, so we are finishing our argument here. So you've been investigating why Australian skin cancer rate is so high. The Australian Health Alliance has asked you to write a short argument to explain this to the Australian public. Remember to explain how your evidence supports your claim to make your argument as complete and convincing as possible. You can agree with one or both claims. And in fact, we're going to agree with both claims. So I've already set it up for you. So our question, why is Australia's skin cancer rate so high? So we went over in class on Thursday and Friday, depending on what period you were in, that actually both claim 2 and claim 3 are correct. So what we're going to do is we're going to explain our evidence. We're going to write our reasoning, and then everything else on here is already done for you. You have your claims, and you have your conclusion statement. I've already put that there for us. So evidence, and I kind of gave you a little starting. Evidence for claim 2, there is something different about the sunlight in Australia. You're going to explain what this map shows. So here's that evidence. Summarize what the map is showing in words in the table above. What does the pink, purple, red color in Brazil mean compared to a lot more yellow in Australia? So if I look over here on my key, right? Amount of ultraviolet light. So if it's yellow, it gets a whole lot of UV light, right? So that's what Australia is showing us right here. And Brazil is getting a lot less. It's like half that amount. Okay, so you're going to put that right here in the evidence box for claim 2. In the evidence box for claim 3, you're going to explain what these graphs were showing us. So remember, they were showing us the amount of people with low melanin, very low melanin, high melanin, and very high. In Australia, we notice it's a lot more low and very low. And in Brazil, they have a lot of low, but very little, very low. It's just they tend to have more melanin. Okay. And then your reasoning, I did give you some frames. Those are going to go here and here. So the map is showing us that there was something different in Australia. Now you're going to explain what that means, right? So human skin does not blank all wavelengths of light. Does it reflect, absorb, or transmit? But it does absorb which kind of light, which can do what to genetic material in skin cells and cause cancer. Because Australia gets a lot of what kind of light, the people there are more likely to have more blank to the genetic material, what's going to happen to the genetic material in their skin cells, and therefore are more likely to get skin wet, right? So use these frames. They'll be very helpful. I did also put all of our key concepts and all of our vocabulary here to help you. All right, that's your assignment. It is a test grade. It's super important that you do this and you do it well. Let me know if you have any questions.